Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Daretobecreative. Thank you for joining my channel today. I am here with the final installation of the ATC Cards and Coins 2020 hosted by Poetspice. So she has a group of collaborators and you will see their description as well as hers in the link below. So you can click onto their channel and see what they created as well as like their channel and follow them. They will inspire you to make ATCs all different types and styles. And again, ATC stands for Artist Trading Cards. They're typically the size of a baseball card, 2.5 by 3.5. And the Artist Trading Coin is just another spin on it. It's just a circle spin on it. It's a 2.5 sides circle. And you just decorate it. And it's supposed to be an artistic piece, business card. It could be swapped. It could be kept. It could be displayed. You can do a lot of things with them. But it's just an expression of your soul. Whatever you want to express on it, you can express on it. All styles are acceptable because it's supposed to be, like I said, an artist trading card. Artists traded it with other artists as a business card, as well as artists would use them to, work out a project that they may want to do on a bigger canvas, but they use it on a small one as a sample to see what it's going to look like. So you can do the same thing, from simple to complex. And so today we're doing our last installation. I'm going to show you mine. A lot of the collaborators are having a giveaway. So I'm sure you have to be at least 18. I'm sure you got to be subscribed, a visible subscriber to their channel and things like that. So I will let you know next Monday. I will have a video for a drawing. Mine would be based on what I made. I will give you a kit with similar items in it that you can make your own version of what I made and some other items as well in there. So let's just jump in for what I used today. I used jelly pen and ink pen, these perfect pearls, my Versamark. I tried my perfect medium, but a little bit old, but it worked. But it was just kind of shredding a little bit. This stamp set by Stamp Pennies, and I knew when I saw this I wanted to do 3 by 3 cards, and I knew I wanted to do ATCs, and I knew I wanted to use the perfect pearls on them. And so this is my first time using it, and I was glad to use that. To use some perfect pearls to just try the color, because I just thought about that color. Actually, some watercolor on this would be nice as well. And I used some enamel dots and my wicker style. So that was pretty much all I used, and I just used some white and black 110 cardstock, and I just stamped them out. Kept them very simple and plain. Let me show you this real quick before I get into that. I meant to show you what I made. So yeah, when I have the kit next week, this drawing next week, what kind of items that you will find in your kit, in case you haven't seen my videos. But in order for you to win, you have to be a visible subscriber, 18, and you must have liked and commented on all of my previous videos for this month, pertaining to this ATC collab. So all the Monday videos, and there's a playlist I'll link below. So this was one I made. These two, these were dimensional ones, the monochromatic. These were some solid color ones that I made, some clean and simple ones. These red, black, and these purple ones. Made actually out of order, and I go more into detail next week. But I made those. Then I made these out of a napkin. And this lighting was horrible. And then last week I made these from some Dollar Tree. These vintage ones from Dollar Tree stickers. So anyway, that was the real quick rehash of what I made. So anyway, let me just jump right in real quick and show you what I made today. Very simple, plain simple. Like I said, I was just into using my perfect pearls. So these are the ones I did 4 in white, 1 for each one of those on the stamp, and then 4 in black. So the first one, and again this lighting sucks, so you might have to go to my Instagram, Daretobecreative1, to see them better. But this one says enjoy, and again just enamel and just some doodling around the edges, and there's 2 colors there. Well, you can tell that it's like a blue and a green. Well, it's more like a rust and a green, I think. This one is gold. Oh, this lighting is really... And this one says thank you. And it says smile. So I knew these I just really wanted. Let me hold those up a little closer. Was the technique, with the perfect pearls. And then I also used my wicker stella on the leaves and the little insects just to give it a little bit more sheen. And then I did the same thing in black, the same exact thing, except I did a little white marks on it for my doodling. And these, I use more of the metallic ones on these so it kind of pop a little bit better. and you mist these with a little bit of water so it can set so it won't smear off. Now it has two colors there, you can see. So this was about the technique. Very simple, but that's what I wanted to do. Just wanted to show you there's various different ways to do ATCs. There's no right or wrong. Just totally what you would like to do. So these are my sets of ATCs for the week. Hopefully you can see them. I know that light is killing that first one. But anyway, that's those. And so anyway, check out the ladies below, and thank you for liking and subscribing. And again, make sure you check out next Monday, so I have my drawing. Make sure you're a visible subscriber over 18 and you have liked and subscribed to all the previous videos, and you win a chance to win some ATC items that you can make your own version of it. Yeah, feel free to do that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.